Do you want to see how I took this wig from ashy to classy? Do you want to see how to get compliments like this?
Oh my god, your hair looks cool! Who did your hair?
If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys see how dry this is? Watch me bring this baby back to life, hopefully. Guys, so basically I added water, conditioner, and some oil in a spray bottle, and I decided to... Why the fuck did I just say decided? Obviously I don't know what I'm doing here, but yeah, shake, shake, shake. I was shaking the bottle up, then I parted my hair in sections, and then I would spray it with the water, conditioner, and oil, and then I would twist it with the flexi rod. If you are still watching this video, I commend you because you have so much patience. But yeah, if you are still watching, go ahead and subscribe and comment below what you think about this video. Well, don't comment what you think, just comment and tell me that you love it, because obviously you do. Yo, let's not pay attention to this huge pimple on the side of my face. I woke up and it was there, and I was just like, what in the world? It looked like I went and got botched. Like, I would look like I went and got some cheek fillers and it just came out wrong. But anyway, that's not why you're here. I left the flexi rod in overnight, and this is the end results. I hope you guys like it. Still looks a little crazy to me, but hey. Alright guys, now I'm about to flex on you guys because you guys are definitely not ready for all this slayage. So it looks like we fixed the dryness issue. I'm not sure what's going on with this curl pattern, but yeah, I'm not really feeling it, so I'll be back with a part 2. Just kidding. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also turn on your notification bell so that you are officially a part of this journey. Bye.